Hey, I got asked today in our Ask Me Anything call about ChatGPT, about creating projects to do your marketing and some different things. I've got some set up, but I wanted to go through and just throw it out there because nobody seemed to know exactly how this works. So let me just show you. You can go in here. If you have the paid version, you can go to create a new project. Type in whatever name you would want for it. You know, if I call something social media, let's say, right? I go in here and I create a project. And I hit create the project. And then what happens is it shows up down here in my different projects. So as I do this, there's my social media. I can add files. So I added a PDF of this thing, Gap Selling. And there's a guy I really like, a marketing guy, Sabri Suby. So I put in his framework. Then I can also go up here to these three little dots and I can edit the instructions. Here's what I've told it to do. Speak at a third grade level. Write with an Australian accent, make Croc Dundee references, and work in Foster's beer and blooming onions from Applebee's. The goal is to get people to check out my FinToolbox as a CTA. And here's a link. So I now have created this. I've given it some additional instructions. And I'm going to say, write me a, you can even do this, which is even cooler. Write me a post for first-time home buyers to be used on Facebook. So I spoke into my microphone and something happened, and I'm just going to hit this. Let's just see what happens. It should be looking through the instructions I've given it. So buying your first home feels scarier than wrestling a croc in the outback. It doesn't have to. So here is your information. It's doing exactly what you told it to do. Now, mate, you don't need a crystal ball, a Foster's beer, and even a blooming onion to figure this out. So it worked in the things, worked in my CTA, boom, copy, paste, and off I go. So create projects, add files of what you'd like it to do, three little dots, give it additional instructions, and you now have a project that can handle your social media just like Crocodile Dundee. And this sucker's better than a bloomin' onion, and it doesn't have 7,000 calories. Won't leave you, with congestive heart failure or any chronic liver disease. That's it. Enjoy.